Hi, love bugs. So today for math, we're gonna be playing another one of our train games. The last time you guys played this was a little bit different. You each had your train, but we were using a die that had plus. It had an adding symbol, so you were building your train as you went. Okay, now what we're gonna be doing today is a little bit different. So you have some supplies in your packet and in that envelope I sent home with you. This is your math packet. And what I want you to do is put your name on the front, first of all. And then when you turn the page, we already did this in class, so you don't have to worry about that page. If you want to do it to practice again, you can, but we don't need it. If you turn this page, we did this lesson in class as well. If you want to do it again, you can for practice, but we don't need it. We did this lesson on Friday when I was telling you all those stories about Max going on vacation, and we used our counters to subtract the number stories. So this is the page you need to play this game. So parents, what happens is you take scissors and you cut around this line, and then you come over here and you cut around this line, and you tape those two pieces together. See, I have some tape in the middle here. And it makes a nice long train for your child. Okay? Now, when you play this game, okay, there's only one in your packet. If you can create your own and make a second one, you can play against each other, okay? The train is to start with 20 cars on it. So what we use for cars in class are cubes, okay? You don't have cubes at home, that's okay. You could use anything that kind of fits in here. You could use coins. You could even make your own little counters to put in there. You could use marshmallows. You could use M&Ms, Skittles, something small that would fit. Oh, my daughter Kaylin's here. You could say, okay?
Jelly beans?
Jelly beans would work, yeah. So, unfortunately, 2 copies didn't get put in here so that you could have 2 boards. But if you just take regular computer paper and you put it on top of this paper, you could trace this perfectly to create a second train board, which I do suggest doing if you can, because we're gonna show you how to play this one person against another. So my daughter Kaylin is sitting over here. You'll see her. She can, if you put your hand here, okay, they can see your hand. That's her hand. She's in 2nd grade. And then I'm gonna play on this side. And what you're gonna need, I sent home a little Ziploc bag of 3 different die for math. Now there's a green one, an orange one, and a blue one. For this game, we're gonna use the green, okay? We're gonna use the green. Now, what we're gonna be doing is we first take our cubes, or whatever you have at home, Skittles, whatever you've got. These are gonna be the cars of the train. So you wanna line these up, and you're gonna set up 20 cars. Now when we play this with the cubes that the math program gives us, the cubes are a little bit bigger than the squares. So what we always tell the students is to make sure that your 20th car is right on the 20 line. So I'll show you what that means to play the disappearing train game. So see, if you look at our boards, right here, my cube is going off the board, and that's okay because my 20th train is right above the 20. And when Kaylin sets hers up, hers is gonna be the same way. Kaylin's 20 is gonna be even, but it might hang off the board over here by her 1, and that's okay as long as you have 20 cars to start. Okay, now it's up to you to decide who wants to go first. For here, I'm gonna let Kaylin go first, and we're gonna play this game. Now the object of the game is you start with 20 cars on your train, you roll, and we're gonna take cars away as we subtract. The first person who has no cars left on their train is the winner of the game. But we do say some equations as we play. So Kaylin's gonna start. How many cars do you have, Kay?
20.
20. She's gonna roll. What are you taking away?
I'm taking away 2.
Okay, now if you look at Kaylin's board, she's gonna take away from the 20 side first. That's the side we take away from. So Kaylin has 20.
Mine is 2. So now I'm gonna count how many until I'm done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 cars left, so 20 minus 2 equals 18.
Excellent. And now when she's looking at her train, she wants to make sure that her cars line up with 18. Okay, even if they fall off the board a little bit over here, that's okay as long as the number matches. If she has 18 here, she's got 18 cars there. So now I'm gonna go, I have 20 cars minus 3. So I'm gonna take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 cars in my train. Now Kaylin goes. How many do you have, Kay?
I have 18 cars.
Okay.
So I have to subtract 2.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Good.
So I did 20 minus 2
You did.
equals.
You did 18
18
minus 2 equals.
1, 2, 3. Wait, if I'm a, oh, next it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 16 cars left on my train. So 18 minus 2 equals 16.
Great
cars.
job. Now looking at mine, I left off with 17 cars. So I have 17 cars. I roll. Take away 3. I'm minusing 3. So here's my car. 1, 2, 3. I take those away. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cars left. Okay, and I want to make sure that those are even. Good job. All set. Kaylin's turn. How many you got there, Kay?
I have 16 cars.
16 cars.
Minus 2 cars. So 16 minus 2. We're going to find
Take 2 away.
1, 2.
Good. And now we count to see what 16
1,
minus 2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 cars left.
So 16 minus 2 equals?
14.
Good job. All right, I've got 14 cars. I roll. Oh, minus 1. So 14 minus 1 leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now at home, you might already have the idea of this and you might make your boards and start playing, but we're gonna finish till the end just to see who wins. So Kay's gonna go. How many you got, Kay?
I have 14 minus 1.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 13 cars.
Right, and we want to make sure, even if your cubes hang off the end, she wants that top card that's closest to 20 to be lined up with a 13.
Ooh, it's actually is.
So we're tied right now. I have 13, you have 13. Uh-oh, let's see. 13 minus 1. So I take 1 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 minus 1 equals 12 cars on my train.
So I have 13 cars minus
Ooh,
2 cars.
2. She takes
1, 2.
Take
so
2
I'm
away.
putting these in my pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 13 minus 2 cars equals 11 cars.
Okay, I'm starting with 12 cars. Minus 1 again. 12 minus 1 gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cars.
We are tied.
Tied again.
So I have 11 minus 2 equals 2 equals 1, 2. So we don't know. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 cars left on my train.
I gotta catch up. Okay, I have 11 cars on my train. Remember, it's called disappearing train, so we want to make them disappear. But I got a minus 1. That's not so big. So 11 minus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kaylin's turn.
So I have 9 cars minus 3 cars equals 1, 2, 3.
How many you have left?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh,
so,
man.
9 minus 3 equals 6.
All right, I've got 10 cars. Minus 1, 10. Take away 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cars for me. Kaylin, what do you got?
So I have 6 cars minus 3 cars equals 1, 2, 3.
She took 3 away.
So 3 minus 6.
6 minus 3.
Oh, 6 minus 3. I know this equation, but 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 more left. That's a doubles fact.
Oh, man.
I don't think they know.
I've got 9, and I'm rolling. I did get a 3, so I'm going to take 3 away. 1, 2, 3, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars left. 9 minus 3 equaled 6.
So 3 minus 2 equals
Take away 2.
1, 2. How many do you guys think? I think 1.
Now, love bugs.
1 car
When it
left.
gets to this point in the game, if Kaylin rolls a minus 2, she only has 1 cube left. She's stuck. She loses that turn. She can't go.
Oh.
If Kaylin rolls a minus 3, she's stuck because she only has 1 cube. She can't go. She has to get it exact to lose that cube. So now is when it gets ugly. Let's see how it goes. Ready? We've got 6 over here.
Minus.
Minus 3! Woo! Okay,
Oh,
6.
no.
Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, 6 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3 cars for me.
So I'm crossing my
She's
fingers.
crossing her fingers. She's got a 1.
Oh!
She got a minus 3. She can't go. I have 3.
You need a minus.
Minus
Oh!
3! All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 cars minus 3 cards equals
No.
0 cars. Now,
Mama wins.
in growing, in the disappearing train, we have to have no cars left to be the winner. Good game, Kaylin. Love bugs, I hope you enjoy playing. And like we said to all the families out there, if you don't have cubes like this at home, that's fine. Anything that fits in the squares would work. You know, you can use, Kaylin said, jelly beans, Skittles. If you've got maybe like any little treats that would fit in there would be good. You could even cut little pieces of paper. Anything like that would be fun.
If you have any little...
Enjoy the
like
game.
caps.
That's today's lesson. Disappearing Train. We hope you like it. And I'm just double checking that there's nothing else in your packet that goes with this. And there's not. We will see you tomorrow for more math.